Form handling and validation in web application. The presentation emphasizes the importance of form handling and validation within web applications. It covers essential security measures, features offered by Laravel, and best practices for CRUD operations. These elements works together to ensure data integrity and enhance user experience, making them vital for successful web development. Importance of form handling. Data protection. Form handling and validation are crucial for protecting application data and ensuring security. Injection attack prevention. Validations protect against injection attacks, a primary threat from unsanitized user input. User experience improvement. Proper validation ensures a positive user experience by promptly addressing errors. Laravel security features. Number 1. CSRF protection. Laravel generates CSRF tokens for form requests, ensuring verification against session tokens to prevent forgery attacks. Number 2. SQL injection prevention. Laravel's query builder and eloquent ORM use parameter binding effectively, separating user inputs from SQL execution, securing database interaction. Number 3. XSS protection. Blade templates automatically escape output, converting harmful characters, thus preventing scripts from executing in users' browsers. Creating a basic form in Laravel. Number 1. Create form in Blade. Incorporate unnecessary input fields in CSRF token. Number 2. Set action to controller. Number 3. Handle validation results. Number 4. Persist data on success. Customizing validation message. Personalizing validation error message enhances user experience by offering clear, constructive feedback on errors rather than generic technical statements. Number 1. Enhancing user experience. Number 2. Defining from message. Number 3. Using a specific language. Benefits of centralized validation. Number 1. Separation of concerns. Number 2. Reusability. Number 3. Maintainability. Middleware in Laravel authentication. Middleware role functions as the gatekeeper for users' authentications. Authentication check. Checks if requests are from authenticated users. Custom middleware can be created for a role-based access. Importance of plugins, registration security. Number 1. SQL injection measures. Number 2. XSS protection. Number 3. Strong input validation. Google reCAPTCHA integration. Number 1. Purpose of reCAPTCHA. Differentiate humans from bots, enhancing form security. Number 2. Obtaining keys. Register reCAPTCHA keys via Google Admin Console. Number 3. Integration steps. Use Laravel package for integration. Validate user responses on the server. Number 4. User experience. Provide clear error message for failed attempts.